Trying to play EFC 26 with a friend on Xbox while you are on a PS5? The good news is you can. Yes, PlayStation 5 players can play with Xbox Series XS players in EA Sports FC 26. The game supports crossplay between current generation consoles, so you don't need to own the same system to enjoy supported online modes together. Before sending an invite, open the game settings and make sure crossplay is switched on. Next, add your friend using the EA Friends list, then send them an invitation. Once they accept, you are ready to jump into a match as long as you are both playing the latest version of the game. If your friend isn't showing up, check that you're both using current generation versions of EA FC 26. A PS5 player can't connect with someone using the PS4 version even on the same PlayStation network. That's it. With crossplay enabled and the right game version, PS5 and Xbox players can easily play together in EA Sports FC 26. Now grab your controller and enjoy the match.